example of finding the vertex of a quadratic using the vertex formula, which is actually a part of the quadratic formula. Let me go ahead and write that down. Well, let's go ahead and do something real quick. I'm going to have a parabola here, and right here is my vertex, and there's an xy coordinate here. What we're going to do is we're first going to find the x coordinate, and this y is actually the function of the x. That's the output. This is my domain. This is my range. So what we're going to do is we're going to first find this x, which is my axis of symmetry, dropping right down through here. And then after that, we're going to plug that x in to find the y. So let's go ahead and get started. So my axis of symmetry formula is x equals to the negative b over 2a. Now again, this x is this first x coordinate right here. So given my quadratic, I have a is equal to 3. This is in standard form. B is equal to 12. And of course c, which is my y-intercept, is negative 10. We just need the 12 and the 3. And we're going to plug in directly to here. I've been emphasizing the importance of using parentheses just to plug in on our first step until we become quite proficient at this. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug in my 3 right here. And I guess I can use a different color. I'm going to plug in my 3 right here. And I'm going to use 12, my negative b, right here. Then I clean it up. That's just going to be the opposite of 12, so negative 12 over 6, which is equal to negative 2. So this right here is negative 2. So I need to take that 2 and plug it into my original equation. So I would plug this in to 3 parentheses, and again I'm emphasizing the critical importance of proper substitution, minus 10. And all we're going to do is take that negative 2 and plug it in here, and negative 2 right here. So now y'all get to use calculators, but I'm telling you, if you want to advance into higher mathematics, avoid that calculator. This is going to be negative 2 squared, which is going to be 4, because we're squaring the whole thing. And then we have 3 times 4, which is 12. And this is minus 24. Negative 2 times 12 is negative 24, minus 10. So that's going to be a negative 12 minus 10, which is a negative 22. And again, y'all are allowed to use these calculators, but I'm telling you, if you ever want to desire to take the SAT or excel in Algebra 2, avoid that calculator like it's the plague. Alrighty, so that is my one example. I'm going to go ahead and get this posted, and I'm going to do the exact same problem in class tomorrow, or maybe I'll give it for your homework. I haven't decided yet. Alrighty, I'll get this and get the other ones uploaded soon.